Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Bagas Prabowo from Sistem Informasi 192B01. Today I will give you presentation about hardware, software, and operating system. The first material is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical components of a computer or electronic device that can be seen and touched. This includes the parts that make up a computer system such as the motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Hardware explains and their function. Hardware function. Hardware's several serves several essential functions within a computer system, including the first one, input function. Enable user to enter data and commands into the computer through devices such as a keyboard, mic, scanner, and microphone. 2. Processing function. Process and executes include instruction using the central processing unit atau CPU and other processing components. 3. Storage function. Storage and permanently or temporarily using devices like hard disk, SSD, RAM, and flash disk. 4. Output function delivers the result of processed data to the user through output device such as monitor, printer, and speaker. 5. Control function coordinates and manages the operating of various hardware components to ensure they work together efficiently. Hardware component. The first one itu Central Processing Unit atau CPU. The CPU function as a control of the computer's performance process. In other words, as a place to regulate all program process on the computer and as a manager of all activity within the computer. The second, memory atau RAM atau storage. Device that storage computer performance process temporarily so that access to the same data is faster. 3. Motherboard atau papan induk, where all hardware components are connected such as CPU, RAM, VGA, and storage device. 4. Hard drive atau SSD storage, permanent data storage media. SSD solid state drive is faster than a regular hard drive atau HDD. 5. GPU graphic processing unit atau FGA card, process graphic data and display on the screen, important for gaming, graphic design, and video editing. 6. Power supply unit atau PSU, provides electrical power to all computer components. Next, 7. Cooling system atau fan atau heatsink atau water cooling, cools the main component to prevent overheating, especially the CPU and GPU. Next, 8. Casing provides electrical power to all computer component. Next, 9. Input device, tool for entering data into a computer such as a keyboard, mouse, and scanner. The 10. Output device, tool for displaying the result of data processing such as a monitor, printer, speaker. And we next to other material which is software and operating system. So, what is a software? Computer software, often called software, is a set of instructions and its associated documents that tell a computer what to do or how to perform a task. Software function Managing hardware so that it can work simultaneously. Provides essential functions that enable the computer to operate as a link between hardware and software in computer device. Klasifikasi software, sistem operasi atau operating system. An operating system is a set of programs that manage computer resources and provide common service for software application. Second, programming language. This is a program used to translate instruction written in a programming language into the machine language with certain rules and procedures so that it can be understood by the computer. Third, application software. Application software is a program that is a subclass of computer software that use the capability of a computer directly to perform a task desired by the user. Most popular type of operating system. The first one, firmware. Second, firmware. Third, hardware. Fourth, open sources. Software explain. Sistem operasi Microsoft Word, Macintosh, Linux. Application bahasa pemrograman JavaScript, PHP, HTML, and Python. Pengalah kata ada Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. Editing software ada Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Adobe Insight. Internet browser Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Antivirus Norton Antivirus, MCAV Total Protection, and Windows Defender. The next materi is what is a operating system? The operating system is the first layer of software placed in the computer's memory when the computer is booted, while other software is run after the operating system is running, and the operating system will perform core services for the software. Operating system function. The first one, computer resource management. The operating system can manage the time an application is running, divide CPU usage when applications are running simultaneously, provide access to the disk, and so on. The second, functioning as a basic application of a device. The operating system is the basic for the formation of programs on a device. It can be said that this is a vital part that regulates all things needed to run the function of a device. The three, optimizing the function of a device. The operating system is able to optimize the performance of hardware and software. The system regulates and controls the relationship between hardware and software so then that then can work together well. Most popular type of operating system: Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Android OS, Apple iOS. That's everything I wanted to say about my presentation for today. Thank you for everything. Thank you for attention and goodbye. Dadah.